Ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is are bonds that form between oppositely charged ions. So a positive cation, or cation, bonds to a negative anion. An example would be formation of salt, sodium chloride. I have what I've done is I've made a sodium atom, and I put the electrons. So there's 2 inner electrons, and I have 8 electrons in the second shell, energy shell. And this last one that's in red, this is the valence electron. Now chlorine, that has, what I've done is I've drawn all the electrons. You notice it has 2 of these innermost shell electrons. I have 8 here. And then the outermost shell has 7 valence electrons. It wants to have 8. Sodium has 1 valence electron, and it wants to have 8. One thing also to keep in mind is that sodium has a relatively low electronegativity. Chlorine has a relatively high electronegativity. So strong that it will actually take away the valence electron that sodium has. So this electron here will actually move. It'll move to the... So you have this valence electron, sodium, it's red over here. This valence electron, when it bonds with chlorine, you actually move over to chlorine. Now what I've done is I filled up the valence shell of chlorine. Now it has 8 valence electrons. Now because chlorine gained 1 more electron, now has a charge. It's negatively charged. Sodium, on the other hand, has lost a valence electron. Now it has a positive charge. But look what's happened. It lost its 1 valence electron. And now I have 8 valence electrons in sodium. So it's now more stable because it wants to have 8 valence electrons. So what holds them together is their opposite charges. The chlorine has a very strong electronegativity. It took the sodium's 1 valence electron. As a result, chlorine has a full valence shell. Sodium has a full valence shell. All right, thank you.